All right, now let's start with the global tool configuration. Now here you can configure your tool that you want, the place, the directory, and so on. So as you can see, the default, use the default Maven settings or setting file in file system if you want to for the Maven configuration, and for the default global settings provider as well. All right, now you can add a JDK, as you can see, like this, and put the name, install automatically. You can choose it from here. I agree, then you can install it. All right, I will delete it for now. Now here you can, for the get, you can put the get executable. So as you can see, the get here is the name and the path to get executable, and you can install automatically actually. And you can add get, jget, get with Apache HTTP client, and so on. All right, for the Gradle as well, you can add the Gradle, the name, and you can just type the information or the version you want, and then you can just download it and install it as well. And the same thing, as you can see, you can choose the Apache version or from Apache, yeah, and here the name and install automatically. Actually they are the same actually, and it is the same for Maven as well. Choose the version and everything is working fine, then just apply or save. Okay, then we are ready 100%. So here is the global tool configuration. If you want for this tool to be used over and over in all your project, not a specific project actually, or a specific jobs, if you want it for all the jobs or all projects. All right, thanks for watching.